Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be doing a button kit on a PS4 controller. So the directional pad buttons are not working. So we're just going to take it apart. We're going to put the buttons into it and hopefully get it working again. And yeah, so stick with me and let's get started. So as I don't have a PS4 to try it out on, I'm going to show you how to do it on a PC. You're just going to need the charge cable or any other micro USB cable and just plug it directly into it, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so first up we're going to go to the Windows button. Going to click that and go to the cog for settings. Then we're going to go to devices, and then on the right hand side we're going to go to devices and printers. Now we'll go to the wireless controller at the top and right click. We're going to go to game controller settings and then to properties. In here you'll be able to test all your buttons. The one that I've marked there is the D-pad, which is the problem buttons for me. As you can see, they're back working again, so that's all fixed. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our video. So you can see it's not too bad changing the buttons out on a PS4 controller. It comes apart quite easy. There's no special screwdrivers or anything else. It's just a small Phillips screwdriver. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.